The mystery of Revelation chapter 13 verse 11. The Lamb about two horns, politics and religion organization, manifests in the whole world. In every state of nation there will be a good leader and evil leader government. So Christian, if you see this, you deserve.
I beheld another beast coming up out of the earth, and he had two horns like a lamb, and speak like a dragon. This another beast coming out of the earth. Yung dati kong unawa dito, in my previous knowledge, it is, the one is Ecclesiastes, and the other one is religious. So it's in religious group or religious organization. So religious organization, and he had two horns. Two horns is signified political and religious group, and to like a lamb. So yung lamb, meron dalawang sungay, there's two horns. Pero pag nagsalita itong lamb na ito, he speak like a dragon. See? So, ang tingin niya sa sarili pagkaragal siya, he speak like a lamb. Pero, a reality, he speak like a dragon. And that and according to Revelation chapter 13 verse 11, this is another beast coming up and out of the earth. So, sa bawat state, sa bawat nation, meron siyang tinatawag, the one is the religious group, the biggest religious group, and this religious group is connected dito yung politika. So, it's combined. So, in every state, this Revelation 13:11, nandoon lagi ito. Yung peace na ito is out from the earth, out of the earth. Okay? So, kung makikita mo ito, meron talagang pangyayari na sa bawat nation, there are two governments. Good governments and evil government. Lagi ko yung nakikita, no? Sa isang bansa, meron talagang good governments and evil government. Was from the beginning, just the Garden of Eden, when Eve and Adam ate the tree of knowledge and good and evil, yung attribute nila, nasa, nasa kanilang katauhan. So, nasa attribute na nila yung identity. So, sometimes the nation, there some good government, and sometimes a nation is an evil government. So, mayroong mga bansa na hindi naniniwala ng Diyos. Just like China. China is communist. China, hindi sila naniniwala sa Diyos because communista na sila. Pero may ibang bansa na Christian nations, they believe God. So, I mean to say that there is a evil government, pero he believed that this government is good government. But in the natures of the holiness or the righteous government is believed to God. The key word is to believe to God in reality. But this nation, like for example, in China, does not believe God. But the other nations believe to God. So good government, the other one is good government, and the other one is evil government. And these nations in the Philippines, they're also masasabi mong good government, and the other one is evil government. So good government is God's choosing, and evil government is the Satan choosing. So, but this is a very dangerous because he pretending as a lamb. But it's the dangerous. He speak like a dragon. See, he speak like a dragon. Because this lamb is two horns, political and religious connectivity. So, ibig sabihin, nagkakaisa ito siya. So now, makita lang natin yung good government if he walks in the righteous way. If the other one, kung siya ay evil government, ay ang lakad niya is very dangerous movement. So that is the Revelation 13 verse 11. Diba? Yung sinasabing, behold, another beast coming out of that earth. Oh, lumabas sa lupa eh. See ito. It is a very, it is another beast. Is also a beast. Performs in a state of nation. So mapanganib, no? Ang paniwala lang natin na ito yung gobyerno. We believe na ang government is good government. May majority. Like for example, democratic government. They are choosing who is the leaders of the government. And because of democratic, because of the demo is power, democratic, it is people, power of the people, power from the people. People choosing who is the leaders of the nations. Sometimes choosing the nations. Sometimes people choosing a leader, an evil government, evil leaders. And sometimes people choosing a good government, a good leaders. So it's a dangerous. We come also the religious leaders. A religious leader, it is a type in theocratic. But the theocratic, it is the whatever the decisions of the leaders, it's a powers from the organizations of the groups. So he speak his power. Sometimes speak a dragon. Sometimes speak just a religious. But behind, nandun yung dangerous. Dangerous, no? So, malalim ito na pag makita natin. And so, if there is a good religious group, and there is a religious group as evil groups. Kung titignan mo yung kalagayan, merong good leaders sa religious group, holiness, what we call is holiness biblically. There's also pretending as a religious group, pero behind it is an evil leaders. So, mapanganib, no? Kung titingnan natin, talagang napaka-religious. Brothers and sisters. So, sana makita ng nakita ito ng mga religious group kung paano ang isang leaders, kung paano yung Revelation 13 verse 11 in the backside, makita talaga natin ay meron palang sa isang nation pala, meron palang beast, meron talagang beast, another beast coming out of the earth. There are two horns. Meron silang tawag to, nakatagad din sinabi sa political and religious group. So in every state meron ganun. So how many nations in this earth? Napakaraming nations. So in every nation meron laging ganitong laging beast dito lumalabas yung Revelation 13:11. Laging lumalabas doon. If there is good government, there is evil government. If there is religious good leaders, and there is evil religious leaders. So, nakikita ito sa every nation. Because of the powers of the choosing of the peoples, or democratic, or communist country. I think communist country does not believe God perfectly. But God choosing Israel as a choosing nation. Choosing nation. So, I hope brothers and sisters, so kung makita natin backside of this book, talagang mabigat ito. Mabigat kasi meron talagang nangyayari at na lumalabas talaga sa every nation, the combinations of the political and religious group. So, okay, sana makita ito sa kasi sa mga talagang mabigat, nakapasok na yung business si Satanas Sometimes may mga religious group talagang mapanganib, ginagamit nila yung Biblia, pero sa likod ng tabing, merong activity silang pangit. Nagiging theocratic sila. Nagiging, nagiging diktador. Pero ginagamit nila yung Biblia. So, pag ginagamit nila yung Biblia, siyempre maraming maniniwala sa kanila na this is a servants of God. Pero biblically, pag tinignan mo sa Bible, they are contradicting. They are using a private interpretation in according to thou said the Lord, according to written meaning. So, itong sinasabi yung second beast, may second beast or my first beast. Pero nag-immorphy lang ito, Yung beast nito, nag-immorphy lang siya. Performs of two horns. So, ibig sabihin, in every nation, na nangyayari talaga dito. So, always combination. If there is a good government, there is an evil government. If a good spiritual leaders, and there is evil spiritual leaders. So, okay, God bless you, brothers and sisters. Hanggang dito na lang tayo nagtatapos at ating topic. Okay.